Preserve memories with clarity, color accuracy, and fine detail, whether restoring old prints or digitizing albums for modern sharing. Best Scanner for Photos options deliver high resolution, gentle handling, and efficient workflows that protect originals while producing sharp digital copies. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Epson FastFoto FF680W. The Epson FastFoto FF680W is purpose-built for users who want to digitize large photo collections quickly without compromising image quality. As the world's fastest personal photo scanner, it can process photos at up to 1 image per second at 300 dpi, making it ideal for households with boxes of printed memories. Its ability to batch scan up to 36 photos at once significantly reduces hands-on time compared to flatbed scanners. The scanner supports a wide range of photo formats, including standard prints, panoramas, Polaroids, postcards, and images up to 8 by 10 inches, ensuring flexibility for mixed collections. Epson's perfect picture imaging system automatically enhances scans with color restoration, red eye reduction, cropping, rotation, and de-skewing, which is especially useful for aging or faded photos. A standout feature is its single-step technology that captures both the image and any handwritten notes on the back of photos in one pass, preserving important context and memories. The FF680W app further enhances usability by allowing users to add voice notes, text, or create slideshows directly from a smartphone. Number 2. Plustek Photo Scanner ePhoto Z300. The Plustek ePhoto Z300 is a practical and affordable solution for users who want a straightforward way to digitize printed photos without the complexity of advanced batch systems. Designed for simplicity, it supports common photo sizes from 3x5 to 8x10 inches, as well as letter and A4 documents, covering most household scanning needs. With optical resolution options of 300 or 600 dpi, it delivers clear, detailed scans suitable for sharing, archiving, or light restoration. Speed is a key advantage, as the scanner can digitize a 4x6 photo in about 2 seconds and an 8x10 photo in roughly 5 seconds at 300 dpi, allowing users to convert hundreds or even thousands of photos in a single afternoon. Unlike flatbed scanners, the feed-through design improves efficiency by letting users insert photos one by one without repeated lid lifting. Built-in image enhancement tools make it easy to improve faded or aged photos with minimal effort. Compatibility with both Windows and macOS ensures broad usability, and the lightweight, compact design makes the ePhoto Z300 a strong choice for casual users who want fast, reliable photo scanning without a steep learning curve.
Number 3. ScanSnap iX1600. The ScanSnap iX1600 is a premium scanning solution that balances speed, intelligence, and ease of use, making it suitable for users who want one device for photos, documents, and everyday paperwork. Featuring fast 45 ppm double-sided scanning and a robust 100-sheet automatic document feeder, it is designed for high-volume tasks while maintaining consistent quality. The large touchscreen interface allows users to select customizable scanning profiles, streamlining workflows for photos, receipts, and documents. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 ensures stable and secure wireless performance, while USB-C connectivity provides a reliable wired option. The iX1600 excels at organization, automatically optimizing image quality, naming files, and sorting scanned content, which is especially helpful when digitizing mixed media collections. Advanced paper handling features, including a brake roller system, multi-feed detection, and skew correction, reduce the risk of jams or damage to originals. While not exclusively a photo scanner, its ability to handle photos alongside business cards and documents makes it a versatile all-in-one choice for users who value speed, smart automation, and seamless integration with computers, mobile devices, and cloud services.
Number 4. Epson RapidReceipt RR600W. The Epson RapidReceipt RR600W is primarily designed for document and receipt management, but it also offers capabilities that appeal to users who want efficient digitization with minimal manual effort. Powered by ScanSmart AI Pro technology, it intelligently extracts and converts scanned information into organized digital data, reducing the need for manual sorting. The 100-page automatic document feeder with True Feed technology handles stacks of varying sizes smoothly, with built-in skew and staple protection to prevent jams and damage. A 4.3-inch color touchscreen allows for PC-free scanning directly to email, cloud storage, or a USB drive, adding convenience for users who prefer standalone operation. While its core strength lies in financial and administrative scanning, the RR600W can also handle photo scanning tasks with consistent feeding and clear output. Integration with financial software such as QuickBooks and TurboTax makes it particularly valuable for users who want to digitize both personal records and printed images in one workflow.
Number 5. Epson Perfection V39. The Epson Perfection V39 is a compact flatbed scanner designed for users who prioritize image quality and versatility in a space-saving form factor. With an impressive 4800 dpi optical resolution, it delivers sharp, detailed photo scans suitable for enlargements, restorations, and archival purposes. The flatbed design makes it ideal for scanning delicate photos, artwork, books, and illustrations that cannot be fed through a sheet scanner. Despite its small footprint, the V39 offers enhanced scanning features through Epson Smart software, including the ability to stitch oversized images together and upload scans directly to cloud storage. One-touch scanning buttons simplify operation, allowing users to complete tasks in fewer steps without navigating complex menus. Its lightweight construction and USB-powered design make it easy to move and set up without additional power adapters. While it is not built for high-speed batch scanning, the Perfection V39 excels in controlled, high-quality scans where detail matters most. It is a strong choice for hobbyists, photographers, and home users who want reliable photo and document scanning in a straightforward, affordable package.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.